Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Trafficize. Now, Trafficize is a launch between myself, my business partner Paul O'Keefe and Steve Harvey. Now, Trafficize lets you manage your bio links in Instagram and TikTok. It also works on Twitter and everything else with a profile that you can add your bio links into. Now, I'm going to show you the application on this video and walk you through what it does. But I just wanted to mention, on Trafficize, what we're going to do is we're going to give the full version of Trafficize on the front end of this launch. So you'll get all the versions there right on the front end, including the resellers and the pro version. You get everything included on the front end. Now, the resellers, you get to resell the app with a full reseller license, you get sales page, you get everything you need. Now, in the funnel, we've also got another TikTok app, which we're going to give resellers away as well, so you don't have to purchase extra for that application. If you pick up the OTO, you get the resellers with it. And we've also got a TikTok done for you suite of videos, which also you're going to get the resellers on that as well if you pick up that OTO. So it's a whole host of resellers in this launch. So it's a great launch, and you know, we're not making you pay extra for those resellers. As I said, for this front end, we're giving you resellers right there. So let me show you the bonus page so you can see exactly what you're going to get when you pick this application up through my link. So first, I'm going to give you a whole host of reseller packs. Now, as you can see, we've got lots and lots here of reseller packs. As you can see here, look, we've got lots and lots. Goes on and on. You can get all these, and here you can see also you get this TikTok reseller master as well. You've got traffic overload reseller. You've got webinar conversion masterclass reseller. You know, as you can see, you've got some great applications here. You've got also the SpyTalk Pro reseller, storytelling marketing reseller. So you've got a great, you know, bunch of resellers there. We've also got the done for you SEO business software. We've got the done for you SEO business software marketing pack with everything that you need to kind of, you know, push agency, your clients in there. And we're including the reseller with that as well. We've got the SEO done for you health system. That's a full add-on. We've got the webinar conversion masterclass, the reseller with that as well. We've got commission lifestyle. We've got the reseller with that as well. Got WordPress affiliate system and the reseller with that. The video magic. Now this is a full system to manage your YouTube videos. Now, as it tells you a lot about that, how it works. And then we've got the YouTube 10x, which is a course. We've got the video magic reseller. And just as you can see, we've got some great bonuses here as well. So great bonus pack. Now remember, with Trafficize, you get the reseller on the front end. That's, you know, it's an amazing launch for the price because we're only charging $27 on the front end, and you get the reseller right there on the front end as well, plus the pro version, plus the agency version as well. And you get this amazing bonus pack. So it's a great deal. Now let me jump inside Trafficize so you can see exactly what this does and how it can help you manage your Instagram, TikTok. You can also use on Twitter as well. Anything that's got a profile bio link, you can use this application. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, here we are inside Trafficize. Now I'm going to show you what this does. Now what it does, it allows you to create a bio link to add in Instagram, TikTok. You can add it in Twitter as well. Anything that you know you can use as a bio in your profile, you can create for that. And what it does, it allows you to expand on, you know, what you can add in there. So for example, with Instagram, you can only add one link in. Now Trafficize, if you use the Trafficize app, it allows you to add multiple links in there, and it allows you to add all your social media. So everything's linked together in this hub that we're always talking about. So, you know, this is what I've got in mind at the moment. Nice image, you know, links to all my social media. I've got a link back to my blog, and also I can pick up emails as well there as well if I wish. Now let me show you what you can do with this. So you can set the name, your photo. You can display the verified check mark as well. You can change your text color. As you can see, just change that. You do the different backgrounds just on the fly. You can change those. You've also got custom gradients, color change, custom color, and custom image. Let's go back to the blue. So you can change the branding. So you can add, your brand name, etc. A little bit about your brand. Add analytics in there for Google. You can set all your SEO settings. You can add all your social details in. Change your fonts. And you can also, if you want to, you can also add protection in there. So you could password protect your bio if you wish. That's if you're delivering sensitive content. You don't really want everyone to see, maybe, it may be a course or something like that. So you can protect that there. So let's jump across onto the links. I'll show you what kind of links you can add in there. As I said, I've got a link directly across to my blog and my mail sign up. Now you can also add in links, which I've got here. You can also add just text in there if you wish. So you just title and description, what that's about. You can also add an image in there, and you can link that image across. So you could add a banner if you wanted, or some kind of call to action. You can also add the mail sign up again, which I've got in there. You can add SoundCloud, so you can add SoundCloud URLs. You can add Spotify, YouTube. You can add a YouTube video in there, Twitch and Vimeo, sorry, and you can add TikTok. You can make that profile, as detailed as you want to sell, whatever you're trying to sell on your brand. You've got full statistics there as well, and you can create as many bio links as you want. So you can create a different one for Twitter if you wish, a different one for TikTok, a different one for Instagram. Now, it's a great way to drive traffic to lots and lots of different places from just one link on your social media. You've got fun analytics as well there, so you can see who's clicking and who's visiting. We've also got the tutorials and the bonus training as well. So we've got a lot of bonus training there as well that you can see there. We've got lots and lots of different bonus training, how to drive more traffic to TikTok and Instagram as well. So it's a great application, and don't forget, we're giving you resellers on the front end. You can see that's there. So you'll get on the sales page, you get all the details that you need to resell this as your own, and getting all that on the front end for $27. Now let me jump inside the funnel so you can see what this is about and all the extras that you can purchase in the funnel. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, here's what you can get in the funnel. Now the first upgrade is the Trafficize Autobahn. This is a new software. It's not part of Trafficize, so it's not an upgrade for that. It's a completely different software. This lets you manage TikTok. Now we've got two options on here. We've got the gold and the platinum options. Now both of those come with resellers, so you will get resellers if you purchase this upsell as well to this separate application. So you're going to get the Trafficize Autobahn app and Trafficize Autobahn reseller if you get the gold. If you get the platinum version, you get the app, the resellers, you get the marketing pack, and the 10,000 visitor package as well. So that's a great upsell. Now upgrade 2 is the Trafficize TikTok Empire. Now these are all done for you TikTok videos. These are all done for you, ready to go. And the great thing about this as well, it also comes with resale rights. So you can resell those videos as well that we're going to do for you. Now upgrade 3 is a monetization edition. Now what this does, it lets you monetize all those links in your bio. So we've got 70 campaigns all ready to go for you to use, that you can drop in there and start making money on your bio links. This is done for you campaign drag and drop, and over 200 bonuses to use with your campaigns as well. Now the last upgrade is the Trafficize Business Accelerator. This is your own turnkey online business. So this is a complete system, completely done for you. So that's your 4 upgrades. Now remember, those first 2, upgrade 1 and upgrade 2, both come again with resellers. So if you purchase the front end, you'll get Trafficize resellers for the front end version, which includes all the upsells there for that app. The second upgrade is the Autoban app, that also comes with resellers as well. So you get resellers for that as well. And the next upgrade is the TikTok Empire again. These are all done for you videos. Again, comes with resellers. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you want my bonus pack, you need to purchase through my link. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.